What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jto, which has taken a little bit of a step back. As you guys can see, it is down 14%, currently valued at $2.86. so we're going to be looking at why is it dropping. Again, you probably know by now, but the crypto market is also down, guys. Most cryptos are dropping, including Bitcoin has hit $40,000, which is not a good sign. But in my previous video I did warn you guys, do expect a price correction in the crypto market, which is currently ongoing and it's happening right now. And Jto has also dropped as well, which I did also tell you guys in my previous updates on the crypto. Do expect the crypto to drop below $3, and that is essentially what's happening. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to pump up anytime soon? Is it going to keep crashing? And going into 2024, what can we expect? But again, with Jto, we won't be able to do the long-term prediction, as the crypto was only listed on the 7th of December, which was about 4 days ago, guys. So we don't have much data, much historical data to do the long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the 15-minute chart, so we're going to be going through the short-term trade, and then over the next couple of days, what can we expect. And also, guys, we're going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view as to what is the best option to do with Jto. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it just to step back and hold on to it? But before I go any further, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart here, we do have the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction. So we can see the blue and the orange line are both slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Jto over the next approximately 6 to 8 hours towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. I'm expecting it to drop back below where it's trading at the moment, but it's not going to be a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to about $2.50, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Jto to be dropping down to. And again, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles over the next 6 to 8 hours. Of course, it is likely to hit green candles in between, just like how it's been performing over the last couple of hours, but the overall outcome has been negative. So similar pattern I'm expecting it to carry on over the next 6 to 8 hours, but again, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Jto over the next 12 to 24 hours. Let's say over the next 2 days, guys, more drops are expected. I'm expecting it to drop down below the $2.50 target, potentially down to about $2.10, $2.20, somewhere around that range is where I'm expecting Jto to be trading at over the next 12 to 24 hours, potentially tomorrow and the day after that as well. Again, don't get me wrong, we are likely to see green candles in between, but once again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Reason I say this is because in my previous updates, I did let you guys know Jto is quite overpriced right now, and so was Bitcoin and the crypto market in general. Because Bitcoin was pumping, most cryptos were following a similar pattern. However, now that it's dropped, most cryptos are also dropping as well. And if you guys are in my Telegram channel, you would have known I did tell you guys, do expect a price correction from Bitcoin, which is going to have a negative impact on the crypto market, and it should drop down below $40,000, which at the moment it is trading just about $41,000, getting close to 40,000. So over the next couple of days, I'm expecting it to drop below that target. And again, if you guys are interested in joining my Telegram group chat, I will leave a link to that in the description box down below. It is currently on offer. Usually it will be $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10, you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. And also, just to give you guys a brief explanation, what happens once you sign up is you get put into 2 group chats. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. And again, don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot. And I will also be showing you guys other, if you guys have any questions on other cryptocurrencies, like prediction questions or analysis, I will also provide that as well. The second chat you get put into is another one where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. But do bear in mind that I am a long-term trader. I'm not a short-term investor, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. But when I do buy, it is at a very good entry price. And when I sell, it is at a very good exit price as well. But yeah, any questions, link is in the description box down below if you guys are interested. And now back to Jto. So if I move on to the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see, the MACD indicator has disappeared. Reason for that is there is not much data on the crypto for us to do the long-term prediction, even over the next week. Even if I do it, it's not going to be accurate. And as you guys know, I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information. Hence why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Jto. Comment down below how often you guys want these updates. Is it once a week, twice, 3, 4 times a week, whatever it is, comment down below and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, at the moment, what I am expecting is an overall drop in value from Jto over the next couple of hours and over the next 2 to 3 days as well. And again, if there are any major changes to that, if I'm expecting it to crash further or have, go for an overall pump again, then I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, what I'm expecting is an overall drop in value. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below your predictions and your takes on Jto, guys. What, again, as you guys can see, it's made it to the top losers list in the last 24 hours. It was in the top gainers list for about 1 or 2 days constantly, but yeah, I did let you guys know it was overvalued, and that's what's happened. From the buyer's point of view, would I buy it right now? No, I wouldn't. Personally, I wouldn't buy it, only because it's way too early to invest into the crypto. It's way too early to judge on what's going to take place over the long term. And I don't really invest into new projects like this one because, as you guys can see, the way it looks right now is a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying it is or it's not, but the way it looks at the graph, yes, it does look like that. But again, we can only wait and see what happens over the next couple of weeks and months to see if this is a crypto worth investing into. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.